Okay. Setting up a thermostat, or a thermostat. This is not thermostat. Setting up a smoke detector here. Okay, we need one that we're already tied.
Ready. In the bedroom. Press to test.
Okay. Connecting someday.
Ready. In the bedroom. Press to test.
God. That could be a bit slower. I'm not quite sure how that would be possible. There it is. Okay, we're going to set the one up for this one. Okay.
Ready. In the bedroom. Press to test.
Okay, we'll turn this guy on.
Hi from Nest. Press the button now for English. Ready. Press to test.
41B1. Let that guy come up. There it is, 41B1. Okay, and it'll set up the internet connection for this guy to my Wi-Fi. And this is in upstairs hallway. And this step never works. Adding to your account.
Connected to the internet.
But that works. Okay, and we have them here. Okay, very good. It's all set. Now, we're done. Just give this a sticker. So I know where to put these guys. And that says upstairs hallway, I think. Done.
Ready. In the bedroom. Press to test.
Watch this.
This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press or wave to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing smoke. Testing smoke. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Testing carbon monoxide. Testing carbon monoxide. Finishing up. Just a moment. Finishing up. Finishing up. Just a moment. Finishing up. Just a moment. The test is finished. Everything's okay. In the test is finished. The test is finished. Upstairs. Everything's okay. In the master bedroom.
I guess everything's okay. And last manual test just now. And so forth. Okay.